Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the 66 inches. I will select it, Control to leave a copy, and the right arrow to stay on the red line, so it will move. And I'll come here and stop. And now I wanna rotate it 90 degree. So I will come to the rotate. Let me see the rotate. I don't see it here. Let me move this one. Okay, I don't see it. I come here, ROT, rotate. Oh, I forgot. We can hit the Q. So deselect and I hit the letter Q and then rotate it and then move it to the right, left or right, doesn't matter. But now I can move it to the left because I have more room. Okay, so this is the first one. So the next one will be the side. I will come here. It will be the 14.5. I will drag it. If I want to leave a copy, I will hit Control, and I'll also press the red arrow, which I call red arrow. It's a right arrow. It's red arrow. I will come here, and I will have it snap here. And because this is going to be the same of the other side, so I will also take a copy, select from the corner, and snap it to the corner. And of course, you're going to press Control to leave a copy. Okay, so what I will do, we know is this 66. I'll do the measurement as we said earlier. We're gonna keep tracking of the measurement, and I wanna see if this is 72. So it's not 72. So that's mean I have to rotate this. I will press the letter Q, and I will come here to the corner and rotate it and type 90, and again come move it a little bit back to see the corner, and I snap it corner to corner. There you go. So I will do the same thing here, or I can move this one, and then I will delete this one. You can see it from here, so we delete it. We don't need it. Now I'm supposed to have 72, but it doesn't look like it, so I have to do the dimension again. I will come here. There you go. We got it right. So now I'm looking for the 2834. So I will drag it. I'm sure you already did create it. So I will press M for move, and I'll bring it here, come close. And I know you're gonna do a lot of rotate. That's why I didn't tell you what size to do it. So this way you will have a practice. I will come here, and for rotate letter like this in 90 degree, and then I'll move it and put it here. There you go. So let's see if this is 2834. I have too much on my plate, so yep, perfect. Now we are looking for the 35 1/2, and I always like to leave copy. That's why I have too many copy. Always good to leave copy. So I will drag it here, and it will snap by itself when I come here. I'm just doing this. I want to show you how we cut it. Instead of cutting, I would like to cut it after I build it all together, which I mean when I assemble it all together. It goes by number now, so you know where it's supposed to be. If you use the PDF that I sent you last night, I will create the first side, the right side here, and then instead of recreate it on the other side, I'll just do copy and paste. That's all what we can do. This save time. Now I'm looking for the one, it's at 26 and 3/4. So this is my bank. I will come here. This is 26 and 3/4. Again, I will come to our here or M, letter M, press M, control and drag it until I come here on the red line. I'll press the arrow, right arrow. I will come here and then I will move it again. When I'm close here, I will rotate it. Q to rotate it. I will come here. It depends where you're gonna move it, flip it, or rotate it. So I'm gonna type 90° and enter. And then come to the corner. Okay. So now I'm gonna drag this here. And of course I need to rotate it. So I will rotate it first, and we'll press Q and type 90°, enter, and move it. Okay, and I will do the same thing. I will press Q, rotate it, and type 90°, enter, and I will move it here. And now I'm gonna show you my favorite part, how to cut it. Okay, so let's start. So I will come here first to the bottom back, and from the light I will make a line from here. You know, when he presented Mr. Mike in the class, how he did it. So he came like that, he cut it on he used a piece of metal to make a line so we can cut it in the lab. But let's pretend we are in the lab and double click here, and I will come, because I put that line, and now I'm gonna cut it. I will come here and see how it changed. It will cut the places in two pieces. So I'm going to show you how this will happen. I will come here, I'll do right click and hide so we can cut this piece. So I will come here, double click so you can see the gray one, and I will come here and do a push and pull. Here you go, bye bye. It's gone. And I will move this one to show and hide last. I will come here. There you go. You see it. We got the first one. Now I have to cut the top one. What I will do hide this one, the one we just cut, and I have this one. I will use the pencil, and then I'll select this one, and I will come and do cut. Here we go. And I will do and hide last. There we go. We got the first one. And we're gonna do all of them like that. I'm gonna show you the first part here. I will use this pencil again, draw a line. Okay, I have one, so let me hide this one. Double click and do push and pull. I'm gonna move it. Doesn't look like it's turned. Let me move this away from here. And for moving, okay, I still have a piece here. It's good to cut it. Select, delete, select, delete. There you go. I'll move this back and put it, come here, make sure it's on the right spot. There you go. And then I will do unhide last. And now it's this turn to hide. But let's do unhide because I have to draw a line for this one to be able to cut it. So I will do this. I have to select it and be inside. Okay, let's do hide. And then let me lift it so I can't. Triple click to be inside. Move, rotate, orbit, whatever to make you comfortable. And here we go. Good job, guys. I know you're doing it. I know how to do it. I know Elijah, Olise, and Isaiah, Almenji always do good job. Janaya too. Janaya did like 2 or 3 so far. Okay, I'll do unhide last. There you go. Perfect cut. Now we need to do the top. And I'll do it quickly. I think I should stop right now because it won't let me go record more than 15 minutes. So I will continue next video.